Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add blur face effect in CapCut. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the CapCut application and import your video. Then you will see these options in the bottom. Just simply go for this effect and video effects. And now here in the search bar, you can search for this blur. And now you have to choose this first one. Select it. Now go back to your video, and after selecting, go back to your video and adjust your effect here throughout your video like this. If you want to make the blur effect stronger, simply select the effect, and now you have to select your video and swipe these options again to the right side and simply select this duplicate. Tap on it. When you select it, you have to tap on this second video, and then you have to choose the option overlay from these options like this, and then add the second video below the first one like this. Select the second video and find the mask button here, and you have a couple of different mask shapes to choose from, but I recommend you to select this circle mask if you want to blur someone face in CapCut, and then simply tap on this invert in the bottom. Now you can adjust the size by tapping on these arrows, and if your person is moving in the video, we need to add keyframes. Go back to your video, so go to the beginning of the video and click on the keyframe right here, and wherever the person is moving, just simply and move the video, and then click the mask again, and now move your circle like this, and there you go. As you can see, it's moving with the person. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.